Causes of milky oil. 1. Blown head gasket. The most common cause of milky oil is a blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the combustion chamber, coolant passages, and oil passages between the cylinder head and engine block. If it fails, coolant can leak into the oil system, contaminating the engine oil. The result is a milky or beige-colored oil, often visible on the dipstick or under the oil filler cap. You may also notice white exhaust smoke, engine overheating, or coolant loss. 2. Cracked engine block or cylinder head. A cracked engine block or cylinder head allows coolant and oil to mix internally. These cracks can form due to severe overheating, corrosion, or extreme temperature changes. In such cases, the milky oil is often accompanied by loss of compression, misfiring, and overheating issues. This is a serious mechanical failure that requires a professional inspection and possibly major engine repairs or replacement. 3. Faulty oil cooler or heat exchanger. Many modern vehicles use an engine oil cooler to regulate oil temperature, and some of these coolers use engine coolant for heat exchange. A leak inside the cooler can cause coolant to mix with the oil. This leads to milky oil even if the head gasket is intact. Checking for coolant contamination in the oil cooler is essential before assuming a head gasket failure. 4. Condensation or short trips. In colder climates or when taking short trips, moisture can condense inside the engine. This trapped water mixes with oil vapor, causing a light milky residue under the oil cap. Unlike serious contamination, this does not usually affect the entire oil system and disappears after the engine reaches full operating temperature. Regular long drives help evaporate this condensation and keep the oil clean. 5. Coolant leak from intake manifold gasket. In engines where coolant flows through the intake manifold, a leaking intake manifold gasket can allow coolant to seep into the oil passages. This issue often presents with rough idling, coolant loss, and milky oil. It's less common but still a known cause, especially in V6 and V8 engines. Replacing the faulty gasket and flushing both the oil and coolant system usually solves the problem.